Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to change the Facebook page link. Sometimes you may want to change your Facebook page link to make it easier to share, more memorable, or match your brand. Facebook allows you to customize your page username, which changes the link that people use to visit your page. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Then, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner to open your profile and account options. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to access all your account settings. Next, tap on Settings. This is where you can manage account information, privacy, and other options. Here, tap on Account Center. This section lets you manage your connected profiles and usernames. Now tap on Profiles to see all your linked accounts and pages. Here, tap on your Facebook username. This will open the page where you can change your page link. Now tap on Username. Remove the old username and enter the new one that you want. Make sure it is easy to remember and doesn't contain spaces or special characters. Then tap on Done to save the changes. Your Facebook page link will now reflect the new username, and you can share it with others. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.